Hey everyone, William Miller, National Brand Manager. I'm over here at our design center with Miss Andrea Graves. Andrea, as I've been meeting the team, a lot of people say, DRV Luxury Suites, those are semi-custom. There has to be some stability in the production, right, to be able to deliver. So these aren't fully custom, but when the guests do arrive, what options do they have of what specific style?
Most customers are going to know what floor plan they want, right? So
Yep.
that's the first decision that you're going to make. And then from there, we offer them 3 different wood colors.
So when you offer the wood colors, is it the cabinetry? Is it the floors?
It's kind of, there's options on the floors
Okay.
and the cabinetry. So there's 3 different wood colors and let's call it the cabinetry. So the main element in most all DRVs or any RV is going to be the wood color, because it's just storage is the key in most of these units. Everyone wants a lot, so that means a lot of cabinetry. So that's going to be your number one thing. You'll narrow that down, and then we have a couple selection options for the flooring.
Okay.
That's usually the next thing that you're going to want to look at, followed by some countertops, and of course your sofa colors, your balanced designs and colors. So we offer the customer an all wood balance for those that don't want to be tied to a fabric, but we also have some really interesting fabrics that they can pick from for the balances as well.
So let's go over so people understand when they get a DRV Luxury Suite, whether it's a full house or our mobile suite, they're going to have some options. So one of the first options that customers have to make theirs their own is they're going to have 3 different wood choices, correct?
Correct.
So for 2021, correct me if I'm wrong, we have white. Is it white?
It's Irish cream, but
Irish
it
cream.
is white,
We have blackish,
which is Colombian maple.
Colombian maple, and then we have light colored cowboy boot brown.
Close. Hazelnut.
Hazelnut. Okay, so when they pick the wood, this is going to be for their cabinets, it's going to be for their fascias, it's going to be for...
Yeah, their trim, their passage doors, their entertainment centers. It's that main piece that you're seeing in the unit when you first walk in.
Okay, and so those are the 3 choices for 2021.
Yep.
Now, as standard, we have gold hardware.
Yes.
If somebody says, the only reason why I'm not buying this luxury suite is because I cannot stand gold,
Correct.
there is an option that you've worked to give, and is this black?
That is black. So
Okay.
we had black, and it is going to carry over and be standard in full house. So it is available as an option for mobile suites.
Okay. All right, Andrea, so this is 2020. This is the walls.
Yep.
Okay, 2021, you've brightened it up.
Yes.
So was it just the pattern you were looking for in terms of like texture? Was it just the lighting? What was your goal?
We were just looking for something brighter and something to give us more contrast to pop off of some of these colors. We went quite a bit darker here with the new Colombian maple from where we were here with mocha cherry. So having a brighter white so that this unit didn't feel so dark, that was kind of important.
So again, and I'm sorry to cut you off, but I'm hyperactive. All right, so this is their wall. Basically, you designed the wall that would match or go with these 3 colors. Okay. So to tie this all together, I've noticed and I've heard from a lot of people that you like to get involved, you like to meet each customer. Can you talk a little bit about, what it is that you enjoy so much when we have guests that come for the experience?
Sure. Yeah, that's one of my favorite things to do is meet the customers. They are, there's so many different people that are DRV customers, and they are unique, and they're fun, and they are interesting. They have a ton of experience in life, and they are well educated, and some of the stories they tell is just, it's fun. We get to go to some of their rallies and stuff, and that's always nice to go and see them, and I enjoy walking their units.
Yeah.
They're very proud of them, and I love seeing what they've done with them. Even some of them have repainted everything, and I love seeing that too, because they're putting their own touch and making it their home. So I love when they come visit, and we get that personal connection with them. And then I love when we get to see repeat customers. I've been here for 6 years now, and so some of them I've met a couple times when we've designed their unit a couple times, which is so fun to see them and see how things have gone. And And to know that they, you know, sometimes they joke and they're like, it's your fault. You picked a new wood color that we loved, and so we just had to get a new one. And so that's, you know, that's fun. It's exciting.
Well, again, I know that you're really busy, so I really do appreciate you just taking a little bit of time. You work so hard, and so many people have given credit to DRV really on your behalf, and how well you've done of a job of picking out, you know, these designs that are trending and are really what the customers want.